Family can be a source of great joy as well as devastating pain.
This is my great-grandmother. Yeah.
And our family, whether presence or absence, profoundly shapes our identity and outlook on life.
See how it's the ring finger?
Mm-hmm.
That's about her.
The ring finger is about her?
Yeah, her divorce, I'm sure. Yeah. It's not mine.
Your experience of family likely also informs your perception of your much earlier ancestors. Just continue to explore here until that energy gets big enough for it to leave.